In this video, we learn about what is a function. Okay, so a function is a rule. Okay, so this function is a rule. So they map each x value to just one y. So be careful, only one y. Okay, so each x value, just one y value. Okay, for a defined set of input values. And this is called a function. As we know that the graph can be one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. And according to definition of the rule, and each x value just one y. So meaning to say, as long as you see the word here one, and these two is a function. So function is one-to-one mapping, and it's many to one mapping. Let's try to see this question. Which of the mapping listed below are function? Okay, so now we try to see this one. The graph of this one is this, which is like this. This is what we learned from the previous video. And we know that this is a one-to-one. So as we mentioned just now, one-to-one is a function. So you have to know function, as long as the mapping is a one-to-one and many-to-one, okay, then that is a function. Let's try to see the second example. Okay, the graph of these will be this one, where this is an x and this y. And we know that this is a many to one. So many to one is a function. And the third is this one. We know that the graph of this will be this part only, because the question says x is greater than 0. And this one, it is a one-to-one mapping. So one-to-one mapping is a function. Okay, the graph for this one will be this. All right. And we know that this is a one-to-one mapping. Again, so this is a function. Let's try to see this one. And this is y plus minus x, and where x is greater equals 0. Now let's try to see if y equals x and the x's belong to real number, x is more than 0, the graph will be like this. Now, if let's say now we say y equal negative x, and x belong to R, x greater than 0, meaning to say the graph will be this one. So, meaning to say y equal plus minus x, the graph will be like this. Okay, and now, based on this graph, we know that this is a one to many. So one to many is not a function. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.